are 4 members of group. Myself, Ahmed Bilal Saqib,
Ahmed Hasnan.
Ready.
And we are 4 members. And in this semester we have done a project of control system. And we have the idea that as far as the population is concerned, so population is increasing day by day. So food crises are also increasing day by day. So we had the idea that what should we think that how we are going to control the food crisis. So and food purpose in Pakistan and throughout the world, and that is through poultry farms. So, but there are some problems which are causing food crisis, which are causing some problems in the production of poultry farms, and those problems are caused due to environmental changes. And those are basically 3. One is a problem caused due to temperature, second due to humidity, and third due to light. And so we have focused these 3 things, and we are controlling it manually and through sensors.
Major components of our project are transformer, LCD, voltage regulator, PIC microcontroller, and 3 relays. And there is also a sensor. Actually, this transformer is converting 220 voltage to 12 volt. And there is also base rectifier for the DC output. We have also used a voltage regulator which is constantly providing 5 volt to the LCD microcontroller. There is also 11 volt for the relays operation. These are the relays for the fans, heat sensor, and humidity fan. And okay. This one is the LDR light dependent resistor. We have used DHT11, which is sensing two environmental parameters, which are the temperature and the humidity of the environment of the poultry farm. This output will be displayed on the LCD, and then we control manually by this PIC microcontroller this output how it would be performed. Okay, the heart of this circuit is the PIC microcontroller, which is PIC 16F877A.
Now we are going to show how it works. First of all, we start this button. Now there is humidity. Our LCD showing humidity 32, light 330, and temperature 335. According our setting, when temperature will be increased after 40, then there will be cooler will be on. So still now temperature is 35. We are going to first parameter is light sensor, LDR, the abbreviation of LDR, light depending resistor. It detects light intensity fall below 100 lux, then it will relay on and our LED will on. Now we show this experiment how it works, and we are going to, oh yes, it's showing 57, 67 and going down, down, and check this. When this increase from certain level, light will be automatically off. We are artificially changing the temperature. Temperature is 36 on display, and our setting, when temperature will increase from 40 degree, then cooler will be on. So now we are going to artificially change the temperature of our environment. Temperature 38, 9, yes, done. Okay. Now our third experiment, our third parameter, humidity sensor. It's also detected by DHT11, and now our humidity is 30, and in our setting, in program setting, when humidity will increase from 35, then our exhaust fan will be on. So now we are going to artificially change this through 43, when humidity is increasing from our setting point 35, now it is working. Okay, done. it's our controlled poultry farm system. Okay guys, thank you, thanks for watching.